The Saraswati Veena, often simply referred to as the Veena, is one of the oldest and most revered musical instruments in Indian classical music. Its origins are deeply rooted in Indian mythology and history, with its name deriving from Saraswati, the Hindu goddess of knowledge, music, art, wisdom, and learning. The instrument is believed to have divine origins, with various scriptures and ancient texts attributing its creation to the celestial realm. In Hindu iconography, goddess Saraswati is often depicted holding the veena, symbolizing the instrument's sacred and esteemed status. Historically, the veena has been mentioned in ancient Indian texts, including the Vedas, which date back to around 1500 BCE. These texts reference early forms of the veena, indicating its significance in the cultural and spiritual practices of the time. The Saraswati Veena is known for its intricate design and exquisite craftsmanship. Traditionally, it is made from a single piece of jackwood, which is meticulously carved to create the body of the instrument. The body of the veena consists of two large, hollow resonating chambers called kudam, which are connected by a slender, curved neck. Along its length, there are 24 metal frets and 7 strings, which include 4 main playing strings and 3 drone strings. The veena's design not only contributes to its unique, melodious sound but also reflects the rich artistic heritage of India. The veena's contributions to Indian music are immeasurable, influencing various genres and styles. It has played a pivotal role in Carnatic music, the classical music tradition of South India, where it is celebrated for its rich tonal quality and expressive capabilities. The instrument is not only a medium for musical performance but also a vessel for spiritual and emotional expression. Many renowned musicians have dedicated their lives to mastering the veena, ensuring its legacy continues to thrive in contemporary times. Through its divine associations, historical significance, and cultural impact, the Saraswati Veena remains an enduring symbol of India's rich musical heritage.